my #1 video here on my channel is about removing dark areas, which has over 100,000 views right now. So you want to make sure you watch that video right after watching this one. It will definitely help you, and make sure if you have the time go through the comments as well, because some of you amazing viewers have given some tips and tricks. Hey loves, it's yet another dark area removing video. I'm going to use simple products to remove these dark areas, which is onion and baking soda. Yes, how simple is that? Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to this video, and shop all your hair and eyelashes from my website at www.sharegorgeous.co.uk. So stay tuned to the very end, do not go anywhere. Let's begin. You need an onion and baking soda and a knife to peel your onion. So yeah, that's me started peeling it like so, and then I cut it into 2 equal halves. The first half I would chop it and blend it. I'm blending with an earthenware bowl, but feel free to use a blender. Next, the other half of the onion, you will cut it like so, but don't cut it all the way down. The purpose of this is to make the surface friction or make it easier to exfoliate with, as there are 2 ways to use this to exfoliate, which is with the onion itself or use an exfoliating brush like this. I'm using the fancy brush. This is how my knees are looking now. Let's start treating it. Let's start this treatment. There's 2 methods. Now this first method, if you want to go gentle on your dark area, you've got skin concerns, then do this. Now I would say if you've got sensitive skin, please refrain from doing this. If you do it, it's at your own risk. Okay, so the next method, which is my favorite, is the exfoliating brush or whichever exfoliating tool you have. I dipped it into the onion and then the baking soda, and I went over the dark area like so, but later I realized that mixing it would be the best option, so I mixed it up and then I went back into exfoliate. Now the knee is one stubborn area, so using a brush to exfoliate is ideal. You are guaranteed that the brush will go hard on that area, remove the dead skin, fade the dark area, and give you the result you want. After treating, wash off with warm water, wipe it down, then put a moisturizer on. It can be a lotion, cream or serum. You do this to lock moisture back into your skin so the place doesn't look dull and dry. This is me before the treatment. Yes, it worked, but it wasn't a vast difference. So definitely make sure you do this at least 3 times in a week, but yes, it works. Some of the areas you can use this treatment on is your knees, toe knuckles, your neck, underarms as well. Some people use it to spot treat on their face, which I wouldn't advise. Please don't do that. Do not get it close to your face because the baking soda is a very strong ingredient. The side effects you might experience is firstly the burns. Obviously it's onion and it burns, so you will feel the burns. And I also felt a bit of irritation, so I want to believe you might get irritated as well. And for some people they might have a slight inflammation, but what I'll say is with all these three, if you had a severe experience of both three, please wash off product right away so that it doesn't persist. Hey there, I'm sorry to interrupt. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification for future uploads. All too soon, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you have anything in your mind, make sure to get in touch with myself down in the description section. Do take care and stay safe.